In this video, we will understand correlation, causation and regression and difference among them. But in a very simple way. Let's first start with understanding correlation. Correlation is used to determine the relationship between two variables. Variables can be metric or ordinal. We have variable x, say temperature, and another variable y, say electricity bill. When outside temperature increases, electricity bill also increase. Here, both the variables x and y move together in the same direction. It shows that there is an association between temperature and electricity bill as they move together. Correlation can also be in opposite direction. When x decreases, y increases. Or when x increases, y decreases. Or, x and y can move in the same direction. When x increases, y also increase. When x decreases, y also decreases. Thus, correlation specifies the association between two variables and tells us the direction of this relationship. The direction of association can be positive or negative. When x and y move in the same direction, we say that there is positive correlation among the variables. When x and y move in the opposite direction, we say that it is negative correlation among the variables. By now, we only know that there is a correlation between the variables, but still don't know why are they correlated. We don't know whether variable x influences y, or y influences x. Or, maybe they are just correlated and move together, and none of them has a direct influence on the other. This cause and effect relationship is determined by causation. Does temperature determines electricity consumption or electricity consumption determine temperature? Or both move together due to third variable? When we try to establish causation between two variables, we will look at available research papers, their temporal sequence, and perform rigorous scientific experiments. Causation helps us to determine which variable is the independent variable and which variable is dependent variable. In our example, we can say that increase in temperature cause increase in electricity bill because when temperature increases, people feel hot and wants to feel cold. They will switch on AC, thus increasing electricity consumption and hence increase in electricity bill. Vice versa relation is not possible. Increase in electricity bill cannot cause increase in temperature. Thus, we have determined the cause and effect relationship in this direction. Temperature influences electricity bill. Regression is used to quantify or model the relation that we have identified using correlation. Regression is used to determine how does one variable influence another and to predict one variable using another. It does not tell us about cause and effect relationship. That means, regression is not causation. For example, it can infer how much electricity is consumed if outside temperature increases by 1 degree. Or it can predict electricity bill using given temperature. But it does not say that temperature has an influence on electricity bill. If you have not established the causation before making regression analysis, then you must presume the direction of correlation among the two variables using some theory, available research papers, or logic. Even if you have used regression to predict or infer one variable using another, then to properly interpret regression result, you must think of causation.